Okay, so I'm already here, guys, and there is the castle. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna put my... So I think I'll stay here. There it is. Somebody like me with a drone. Okay guys, so I'm here finally in the castle, and that's it. It looks small in the GoPro, but I'll have to take a video from my phone. Okay guys, hi. So I flew the drone, the DJI Mini, safely and back to me. That was the greatest scare of my life. I don't know, I was just so scared. I thought I was, it's my first time. So, oh my god, I'm glad it's back in my hand and it's safe in the bag. I actually didn't know what I was doing. This DJI Mini 2 is supposed to be for, dummies like people like me. So I can actually should be able to fly it without any problem. But when it's your first time, I'm like, where's the drone? Where's the drone? He's gone. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I don't know if I will have the time to go inside the castle. I actually needed just a drone shot, and that was what I need. And it was amazing. My heart just stopped and skipped like a million times. Okay, so that's me here in Utrecht, guys. I will see you again in my next vlog. If this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button down below. That would really help our channel a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. So I have time to go and have a stroll inside, guys. So people are still walking there because it's still 4:45, so I might as well go inside and check it out. Closed. Oh my goodness. Castle is closed, so too bad. Sorry, I'll be out of your way. Okay guys, so I'll have to go home. The castle is closed. Glad I have a drone. And at least I took at least a very nice shot. I got scared a little bit because when I used the boomerang option on the drone, and it went beyond 120 meters, so I had to take it down immediately. Oh my god. There's actually a lot of options that I can take a video of the castle. I'm a beginner. I could pan towards the side, the left or the right, but just afraid. I think bringing down the drone in one piece was already a big accomplishment for me. So I'm headed home, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.